Hi everyone, welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. In today's video, I'm going to be making a facial moisturizer. This moisturizer, I am going to be using rice. Rice is rich in antioxidant. Rice can help to tighten and firm the skin. It also contains vitamin A and vitamin C. Rice also helps to nourish and protect the skin. So if you're looking for a easy DIY facial moisturizer that can help to transform your skin, follow me to the kitchen. I'm going to share the full detailed recipe with you, and I'm also going to share some tips on how to use this and how to get the best result. Now, if you're new here, and even if you're not new here, we have launched the Khichi Beauty skincare collection, and we have a variety of facial moisturizer. We have collagen cream, we have retinol cream, we have ultra defense moisturizer, just a variety of natural products that you can use on your skin that can help to transform your skin and help you to look years younger. So if you're interested in these products, just visit my website right here, ALESMAXii.com, or you can click on the view product that you're going to find right here, which will take you to our store. We have a code for you. Go ahead and use the code KB25. You'll get 25% off. So now let's get in the kitchen and start whipping our facial moisturizer, which is made from rice up. And one more thing before I get in the kitchen, don't forget to watch the video to the end.
Now let's start to make this recipe. My first ingredient is going to be rice. Today I'm using white rice. Rice is rich in antioxidant, help to tighten and firm the skin, help to reduce wrinkles and fine lines on the skin. I'm going to be using about a quarter cup of rice, adding this to the bowl. When you use rice on the skin on a regular, it can help to transform the skin. If you have large pores, this can help to shrink those large pores. Also, if you have blackheads and whitehead, using rice as an exfoliator can help to clean out those pores. So here we have the quarter cup of rice, and what I'm going to do next, I'm going to add some liquid to this. So first, let's pour the rice in a saucepan since we are going to be boiling the rice. So add a quarter cup of rice to the saucepan, and next let's reach for some milk. Milk is rich in lactic acid. Milk helps to get rid of dead skin cells on the surface of the skin. It helps to smooth the skin. If you have blackheads and whiteheads, using milk on the skin on a regular will help to clear the blackheads and whitehead. It also will help to reduce wrinkles and fine lines and boosts collagen and elastin in the skin. So once we add the milk to the saucepan with the rice, we're going to give it a stir. Now let's add some more ingredients, and I'm going to add some oils to this. My first oil is going to be some grapeseed oil, and grapeseed oil is a light oil that will not clog the pores. So I'm going to use about a teaspoon of the grapeseed oil, adding this to the saucepan. And now, once this is done, we're going to give it a stir and we're going to place it on the stovetop. Once we place it on the stovetop, we're going to let this come to a boil. This is going to be about 2 to 3 minutes depending on the stove you're using. Now, once this comes to a boil, you're going to keep on stirring this, stirring this, stirring this. This is going to take about 8 to 10 minutes or so, and then it's going to start to dry down. So you're going to keep stirring because you don't want it to stick to the bottom of the saucepan. And after about 10 minutes or so, take a look. This is what it's going to look like. totally dried down. And what we're going to do with this, we are going to remove it from the stove top. We're going to set it aside to cool, and then after it is cooled, that's going to take about 10 to 20 minutes or so. Once it is cooled, then we are going to be blending to a creamy consistency. So let's reach for our blender, and we're going to pour all of the rice and milk in the blender, and it's going to look a bit lumpy, a little bit creamy. That is okay. So let's pour this in the blender. Once this is done, we are going to blend. So we're going to be blending this for about 3 to 4 minutes or so, depending on the power of your blender. You want this to be creamy and free from lumps, so you're going to blend and blend well. Once this is done, we are going to be straining. So reach for a strainer or a cheesecloth. Today I'm choosing to use a cheesecloth, and then we're going to pour our rice mixture in the cheesecloth, and now we are going to strain. Now after straining, take a look, free from lumps. This is nice and creamy, and this is our base for our moisturizer. Now we're going to move on by adding some more ingredient. At this stage, you can make it your own. You can add any ingredient that you want to. I am going to use a teaspoon of aloe vera gel, pouring this in. Aloe vera can help to clear hyperpigmentation from the skin. It helps to smooth the skin, and if you have acne prone skin, this is also good for your skin. 1 teaspoon of aloe vera gel. Next, I'm reaching for some vitamin E, and vitamin E you're going to find in most of your skincare products. Hydrates and nourish the skin, and also have to preserve your DIY for longer. I'm using a few drops of the vitamin E. Next, I'm going to add a final oil, and this is going to be pomegranate seed oil. This is an oil that is rich in vitamin C, have to nourish and also have to brighten the skin. I'm using a teaspoon of the pomegranate seed oil, adding this to the bowl, and now we are going to give this a stir. Now, if you have a blender, at this stage, you can choose to blend it for a creamier consistency. If you do not have a blender, you want to whisk this for about 5 minutes or so to bring it to be nice and fluffy. So I'm just going to keep mixing, and take a look how nice and creamy this is. And now let's reach for our storage jar, and I'm going to pour our anti-aging rice facial cream. And this is now ready to use on your skin. So you're going to apply this onto clean skin. You're going to take about 2 to 3 drops, place it on your face, your neck, and décolleté, massage it on your skin AM and PM, and you're on your way to amazing, younger, fresher looking skin. Store the leftovers in the refrigerator and use it up within 7 days.
And there you have it. Thank you all for watching. You liked the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to share this video, and also don't forget to visit our website ALESMAXii.com, where you can find more moisturizers that you can use on the skin. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you all in my next